Hello, Zach Yelton here, Coastal Shores Landscape. Thanks for viewing our May 2019 newsletter video. April has been a very busy month. We have been scurrying around trying to get caught up on spring weeds, getting in our rhythms of mowing grass, getting your spring flush of growth trimmed off of many of your foundation and evergreen shrubs. So that has kept our teams very busy. If you watched our last month's newsletter video, one thing I talked about was soil temperature, and because temperatures were lagging last month down into the mid 60s, we have delayed our turf fertilizer to be done in the first week in May. So this week, actually, we're going to be putting out our turf fertilizer. Between this week and next, we should have all of our fertilizer out on our maintenance properties. So what you're going to start seeing is you're going to start seeing the grass really respond to that. Soil temperatures are now currently, even today I checked, they're around 72, averaging around 72 degrees here, which means grass roots can really start pushing and running, and they can actively take up all the fertilizer and fully use everything that is being put down. So you should start seeing a big response in the grass here over the next 3 to 4 weeks. One thing that we are encouraging our teams to look out for is early insect activity on plants. This is the time of year where a lot of the adults have overwintered, have laid eggs on many of your shrubs, and those insects are starting to hatch out right now. So this is the best time to go after insects. Go after them when they're young, not when they're old. It is something that we're putting out is horticultural oil, something that's safe on a lot of our beneficial insects. It doesn't have a long residual, but it works to suffocate those bad insects like aphids, whiteflies, even scale. Those are great products that we're putting out on our shrubs right now as we're seeing them. So you can be expecting that from our maintenance teams too. Our maintenance teams are, as I said, working very hard to get caught up on weeds. Getting grass into good health and into the full season here will be something we're focusing on over this month. If you see a little bit of Poa annua, which is annual bluegrass, if you see that hanging around in your lawn, at this point we cannot do anything to kill that, but it will naturally die off as the soil temperatures begin to warm. So that will go away. Your turf grass will really fill in and flush out nicely. If you're having problems though, or if you're concerned about something, or if you heard something today that you're just not sure about, please feel free to reach out to me. I would love to walk your property with you and help make sense of some of these early springtime problems. So we're working through those. Again, thanks so much for watching this, and reach out if you have any needs. We're available, ready to handle any extra project work, any issues that you may have. We want to address those and handle that right away for you. So thanks again for tuning in. Have a great day.